In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect and maintain your email list using Google Forms and Sheets, all in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're a small business owner or someone just looking to stay organized, having a reliable email list is vital. Let's get started by creating a Google form, which will serve as an efficient tool for gathering emails. First, open your Google Drive. It's your ultimate space for storing documents and creating new files. Once you're in, navigate to the top left corner and click on New. This button is your gateway to a variety of Google apps, including the one we need now, Google Forms. Hover over the option labeled Google Forms and click on it. Now, we are looking at a blank canvas. Select the blank form to create one from scratch, giving you room to customize it to your needs. Begin by titling your form. This is crucial as a descriptive title makes it clear to your audience what the form is for. You might want to use something inviting like join our mailing list or stay updated with our newsletter. Next, head over to the settings icon, which resembles a gear. Click on it to configure how responses are collected. Make sure you enable responder input in the responses section to ensure emails are properly stored. Now let's return to the questions section. It's time to start crafting the structure of your form. Click on add question, and when the menu opens, select short answer. This is perfect for capturing email addresses as it encourages concise responses. After that, click on the responses tab at the top of your form. Here you'll find an option to view your responses in Google Sheets. Click on view in Sheets, which will automatically generate a new spreadsheet linked to your form. This spreadsheet will neatly organize all submitted responses, making it easy for you to manage and utilize the data. As you complete the setup, ensure you select a destination for your responses. Click on Select Destination for Responses, followed by Create to finalize the process, allowing responses to be stored in your Google Sheets automatically. Now that your form is ready, click Publish to make it live. Copy the provided link to share your form across platforms. Whether it's via email or social media, make sure it reaches your audience. Finally, test your form by clicking on the link and submitting a response. This step helps ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once the response is submitted, go to your linked Google Sheet to verify that all responses are recorded, and there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a seamless process to collect and manage emails using Google Forms and Sheets. It's that easy. Happy organizing!